Hello, I'm Carla with Configu, and today we're exploring the Configu Orchestrator open source, a game changer in configuration management. As seasoned developers, you're well aware of the challenges in managing and keeping track of configuration data. It's often scattered across various stores, databases, files, and third-party systems like secrets managers, parameter stores, and etc. The burden of integrating these systems and maintaining consistency falls on you, complicating your workflow. Enter Configu Orchestrator. This tool simplifies your life by automating the configuration workflow from code to runtime across all environments. It provides a unified interface that rules them all, eliminating the need to juggle multiple systems. What sets Configu apart? Our configuration as code approach. Unlike traditional solutions that treat configurations as unstructured data or key-value pairs, Configu models configurations and treating them as first-class citizens in the code, ensuring structure and consistency. Let's dive into the core concepts of Configu Orchestrator. Config. This is the fundamental data model that defines your application's behavior. Each config carries a unique key, a context set, and the actual configuration value. It's like your application's DNA, ready to be brought to life. Config Store. This is a dynamic storage engine that adapts to different systems and services. It could be a database, a file, a secret manager, or even a custom solution. Back to the configuration as code, the next concept is config schema. A special file, adorned with the .cfgu extension, declares the genetic code of your application. It establishes the bindings between config keys and their respective CFGU declarations, specifying characteristics and constraints for each value. With config schema, your configurations adhere to a predefined structure, ensuring harmony and consistency. Last but not least, Configu interface. Unified API like the Configu SDK and the Configu CLI developers and DevOps engineers can interact with configuration data effortlessly. These interfaces bridge the gap between you and the config store, giving you full control over your application's behavior. Imagine deploying a microservice architecture across multiple environments. With Configu Orchestrator, you manage all configurations from a single interface, ensuring consistency and reducing errors. Our mission at Configu is to revolutionize software configurations management, empowering you to focus on coding and deployment. Configu paves the way for effortless, reliable, and secure configurations. If you're ready to take your configuration management to the next level, visit our open source project on GitHub. We've prepared a detailed guide and a demo to help you get started. If you find it useful, we'd appreciate your star. Better yet, why not contribute to the project or provide feedback? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video on the features and principles of configuration as code with Configu.